Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. The level of insecurity and the level of inequality in the dispense or discharge of justice in Nigeria is becoming alarming and is cause for concern, and I feel that the government of the day should quickly expedite action to correct this trend that is obviously not good for the nation. But before we go into the newspaper to find out what it is that is disheartening right now and it cause for concern, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, a Nigerian-born British international human rights lawyer, barrister Richie Ebuka Okorafor, has escaped an assassination attempt on his life. The incident happened on Thursday, the February 25th, 2021, along Suleja Bida Road in Niger State while on his way back to Abuja. Okorafor, whose parents are from Abia State, broke the news to his human rights partner, the International Society for Civil Liberties and Rule of Law, that's Inter-Society, and the government of the United Kingdom on Thursday evening. And of course, the also IPOB Secretary, Media and Publicity Secretary Mapowerful also released a statement on that effect. Recounting details of what happened, Inter-Society said in a statement issued on Friday morning in Onitsha, Eastern Nigeria, and signed by its principal officers, that's Emeka Umagbala, say, Obianuju Igbo Esquire and Chidemma Udegbanum Esquire. The attempted assassination had taken place along Suleja Bida Road when he was returning to Abuja after visiting the Alpha base manned by soldiers and belonging to the Joint Security Task Force or JTF in Niger State. His visit to the temporary army base followed new discovery of another batch of 109 Igbo army abductees, including citizen Elvis Ngozi, whom his family recently located to the base through an army officer contacted by the family. Barrister Okorafor had, before leaving the base, noticed that his private car had been marked with a paint in the rear after he had parked the car and entered the base. The lawyer Okorafor entered his car and drove for about 20 minutes from the base, returning to Abuja when his car was crossed and blocked by an unmarked white Hilux with some armed men who opened fire instantly and at close range. His car was rained with live bullets, including aiming and shooting at lawyers at the driver's and car owner's sides. The lawyer reversed and managed to find his way into a marketplace, forcing the assassins to speed off and escape. The lawyer was driving in a black Mercedes car, GLK M133 model. The matter was later reported to Nigerian Police Force Suleja area. That's Suleja Area Command in Niger State. The British government also responded swiftly and offered to evacuate the lawyer, who is a British citizen, back to UK subject to his approval. You can see, lawyer, you are blessed too. You see the beauty of dual citizenship. These ones are people who value their citizens. Though he's a Nigerian, but the British part of him value him more than even the Nigerian part of him. Oh, Nigeria. Let's continue. Inter-Society links Barrister Okorafor's ordeal to his exposing the secret trial and execution of 6 Igbo Christian soldiers who were secretly executed on the 24th January 2021, adding that Barrister Okorafor also jointly with others located not less than 370 out of over 400 defenseless Igbo residents abducted between October and November 2020 by the Nigerian Army. The abduction followed a great invasion and attack by Nigerian Army in Igbo and environs, during which 102 defenseless civilians were killed and 120 shot and injured. Out of over 400 Igbo abductees, 208 have been freed by courts, and names of 162 others, including 53 girls and young women, located. The judicial release of the 208 adoptees was achieved through the dogged effort of the lawyer and other lawyers working with him, Intersociety said. You have now, okay, which means if he didn't even intervene, I guess maybe this is honestly, oh Lord, I don't know if it's your will that this country, because it looks like it's getting even more difficult to manage the country. It's getting, maybe the power in the central is too overwhelming. If it is your will that the country breaks, oh Lord, let it break amicably, peacefully. Let your will be done, Lord. Lives are being lost every day due to some level of ignorance here, negligence of duty here and there, supervisory negligence here and there, people not being on top of their job or supervising their lower cadre people or lower cadre, those in command, their lower cadre staffs or lower cadre colleagues, so they can monitor what they're doing part time, so that innocent citizens will not pay the price of their negligence and ignorance. It's rather pathetic. Every day we keep saying this over and over again. Look, do not push citizens to the point where they say that there's no return. Look at the young man. Okay, imagine, it's even based on Imapa actually made a statement on the same matter. Imapa made a statement on this matter, on the same matter. So if the young man was not a United Kingdom citizen, British citizen, on your own would have been his case. Can you imagine those, despite the fact that they have citizens, one citizen mattered to them. They had to evacuate him. When will Nigeria look like this? Oh Lord. When will life matter like this? When will life matter more than cows? When are we going to give right to citizens, defenseless citizens, and not give it to bandits? When are we going to call beautiful names and give beautiful amenities to common Nigerian citizens out there, and not give beautiful names and call them nice names, or call bandits nice names as Gume has advised Nigerians to? When are we going to look ourselves in the face, look our faces in the mirror and tell ourselves the truth that bandits are criminals and they are not bandits? They keep telling us bandits are not criminals, criminals are not bandits. I begin to wonder, is it the use of English that is worrying all Nigerians, or just that all Nigerians don't understand the meaning of the word bandits? How can people up to that? We have democracy. What is wrong with our own African democracy? Why are we not practicing it the way we see others practicing it? We got democracy from Senate claims. We got democratic from other countries. We emulated the system of governance, but they seem to be far ahead and they seem to be getting the democracy right. What is wrong with our democracy? If we are not getting, if we can't emulate the right thing, then by all means, let's do the right thing so that life will matter. Life needs to matter. Look at NAF. Look at the Navy guys. NAF that got killed from air. They couldn't even land. They're just moving out. No matter what you say, they are human beings. All life matters. It's getting out of hand. This is so not fair. I'm sure that every day in Nigeria, some people here and there secretly are dying. No one seems to know, except it comes to social media. Very few persons know. This is getting out of hand. The government needs to sit up and so that these things can be fixed once and for all, so that truly we can call ourselves patriots of this country, or else it is going the other way.